The P0171 code indicates a lean air-fuel mixture in your engine's bank 1, meaning there's too much air relative to fuel. This can lead to reduced fuel economy, rough idling, and potential engine damage. It's a common issue, especially in older vehicles, and addressing it promptly is crucial. This is detected by the ECM by monitoring oxygen sensors. A lean condition occurs when the long-term fuel trim exceeds plus 20 to 25%, signaling insufficient fuel delivery or excessive air intake. Keep an eye out for these symptoms: the check engine light illuminating, rough or unstable idling, hesitation or stumbling during acceleration, a noticeable decrease in fuel economy, often 10 to 20%, engine misfires or stalling, and potentially engine overheating. Recognizing these signs early can help you diagnose and fix the problem before it worsens. Several issues related to air intake can trigger a P0171 code. These include vacuum leaks from cracked hoses or intake manifold gaskets, a faulty mass airflow sensor, or a clogged air filter. A smoke test can help detect vacuum leaks. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine, and if it's faulty, it can cause the ECM to miscalculate the fuel mixture. Fuel delivery problems can also be responsible for a lean condition. Common culprits include clogged fuel injectors, a weak fuel pump, low fuel pressure, or a contaminated fuel filter. Fuel pressure tests and injector cleaning can help diagnose and resolve these issues. Fuel additives can assist in cleaning the fuel system. Malfunctioning oxygen sensors, both upstream and downstream, can cause inaccurate readings and trigger the P0171 code. A faulty coolant temperature sensor can also affect fuel calculations. Diagnosing these sensor issues typically involves using an OBD2 scanner to monitor sensor data and comparing it to expected values. Begin diagnosis by connecting an OBD2 scanner to the vehicle's diagnostic port. This tool will confirm the P0171 code and reveal any related codes that might indicate additional issues with sensors or fuel systems. Perform a thorough visual inspection of the vacuum hoses, intake manifold, and air intake system. Check for visible cracks, loose clamps, or deteriorated gaskets that could allow unmetered air to enter the engine. Conduct a smoke test by introducing smoke into the intake system under pressure. Observe for smoke escaping from hoses or connections, which reveals vacuum leaks that visual inspection might miss. Test the mass airflow sensor by measuring its voltage output with a multimeter while the engine runs. Also, check the oxygen sensors for proper voltage switching between rich and lean conditions using a scanner or multimeter. Attach a fuel pressure gauge to the Schrader valve on the fuel rail. Start the engine and check that the pressure readings match the manufacturer's specifications, as insufficient fuel pressure leads to a lean air-fuel ratio. If injectors are suspected to be clogged, remove them for ultrasonic cleaning or use a fuel system cleaner additive. Clogged injectors prevent proper fuel delivery, contributing to the lean condition. Depending on the diagnosis, repairs for the P0171 code may include several options. Replace faulty vacuum hoses to fix leaks that allow excess air into the engine. Replace or clean the mass airflow sensor, which measures incoming air and can fail or get contaminated. Replace clogged fuel injectors that fail to deliver fuel properly, often due to buildup. Replace a weak fuel pump that cannot maintain proper fuel pressure. Replace faulty oxygen sensors that provide incorrect readings to the engine control module. Repair exhaust leaks that introduce extra oxygen into the system. After completing any repairs, clear the trouble codes using an OBD2 scanner and monitor the system to ensure the issue is resolved. Preventing the P0171 code requires regular maintenance to keep your vehicle's air-fuel system in balance. First, replace the air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. A clogged filter can cause lean conditions by restricting airflow, leading to inefficient combustion. Second, clean the mass airflow sensor every 30,000 miles. Dirt buildup can cause inaccurate readings, resulting in improper fuel delivery and potential P0171 codes. Third, always use quality fuel to prevent contamination that can clog injectors or affect fuel pressure, maintaining the proper air-fuel ratio. Finally, promptly address any unusual engine behavior like rough idle or hesitation. Early intervention prevents small issues from becoming costly repairs.